What's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Report. All right. And the title of the video is XL Karen pulls knife during traffic stop. That's crazy. All right, let's get into it. Let's see what they talking about here.
On January 1st, 2023, police conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle that had a colored license plate light.
Evening.
Yeah?
Hi, Sergeant DeCarlo with the Sheriff's Office. The reason I pulled you over tonight is your tag light is blue. So you can't have blue lights visible on the outside of your vehicle.
Okay, I didn't know that.
That's right. Do you have your license, registration, proof, insurance on you?
I don't.
You don't? Did you forget your wallet at the house? Or?
No, I have my license, but I don't have anything else.
Okay, do you mind grabbing your license for me? Is the car registered to you?
Yeah.
Yes, you said? Okay. Thank you. And your license is valid, correct?
As far as I know.
Okay. Do you know what insurance company you have by chance?
I have Geico.
Geico? Okay. Alright, just sit tight, okay?
Save 15% or more on Geico.
That's kind of weird. If you want to go up there, hit the passenger side, and take a sniff inside the window.
That's why I should record it right now.
That's fine.
I know, but I was letting you know.
You want to take a sniff inside the passenger window? Just ask her. What insurance company did you say you had again? Because she didn't give me anything, so maybe I forgot. But take a sniff. See if you smell like 50. Have a seat back in the car. Oh, whoa! What the fuck? Whoa. What is happening? What are you doing?
I'm
Put your hands behind your back.
out.
Put your hands behind your back.
Why are you doing this?
Why would you think it's a good idea to pull a knife on a traffic stop?
Okay, guys, I am taking this out so you don't pull me over again.
What else?
My light.
Why would you get out?
Are you? Wow.
What out? Put a knife in your hand on a traffic stop?
I don't have
That's the easiest way to get shot. You know that?
I just want to take this out because I don't want you pulling over again.
So you wait until we're done on the traffic stop when you're at home.
Okay. What are you doing? Get out of my car.
All right. Do you have a medical marijuana card?
For what?
I smell the odor of marijuana coming out of the vehicle. Do you have a medical card or no?
No, my son does.
All right then.
Oh, great.
Damn, way to throw your son on the bus. What's your son got to do with
I'm
this?
going to search your car.
No, I'm not. Okay,
Excuse me?
Why are you going to search my car?
I have probable cause based on the odor of marijuana. You're telling me that you do not have a medical marijuana card.
Okay, you want to call my son? He has one.
Is your son in the car right now?
There's no reason for it to smell like marijuana because I don't smoke.
It
I
does.
can
So
drop
I'm going to search.
right now my pants and piss in a cup and you'll find out I don't
would
smoke.
prefer if you didn't drop your pants for me, ma'am. I am going to search the car.
No.
Yes.
I'm not
Have a
giving
seat
you,
on the bumper.
I'm not giving you.
If you're saying
I want a lawyer.
if you're saying that you're
You
not giving me
haven't- you
consent,
haven't
that's
read
fine.
me my
I don't need
rights.
consent. I have probable cause.
Okay, I need to call. Let me call.
Have a seat on the bumper.
No, I'm calling a lawyer.
Not right now. You're not.
Stop resisting him, otherwise we're going to pepper spray you next.
I need to call my dad. He's a sheriff. Now.
What's his name?
Ralph Rickman. I need to call him now. I need to call a lawyer or somebody because you guys have improper cause, okay?
Nope.
I
No,
need
we
to
do
take
not.
this light
No, we
out
do
of my
not.
car before, since obviously you pulled me over and there's thousands of people that don't even have a front headlight and you're going to pull me over for a blue light.
Mm-hmm.
A little blue light.
Because it's against the law.
Well, I didn't know that. They
Okay.
shouldn't sell sell them if they're against the law.
Well, they sell a lot of things that are against the law, right?
Okay, and that's the only reason you're gonna pull me over because I didn't have a light, and now you're gonna pull me over because I have a light.
Hey, 3031 1065 672. 9310 Marina Circle, Unit 205, Apple 1, called by accident.
All the way.
Negative emergency.
Yeah, I got you. Hey, you stay with her.
Watch you guys. I'm not resisting.
Turn around. No, you know what?
Watch you look
turn
through
around.
my car.
Turn around.
Here's the deal.
If you're gonna go through my car, I want to watch
You're not watching anything.
Lean up against my car. Lean up against the car like a circle. You got this side?
Yeah, I got this side. I was gonna unlock it.
That's insane. Bro. What in her right mind thought that it was a good idea for her to come out with a knife to take the blue light out? Come on, man. You really asking to go to jail. Like, or you asking to be sent to the afterlife. Cause that boy, I get it. You know, she probably trying to use the knife as a, as a screwdriver or whatever the case may be. But there's a time and a place. And that is not the time or the place, because even if you take the blue light out, you've already been stopped for it, and you're still going to get the ticket right then and there. So you could take care of it at a later date. But going out, officer right there, you got a knife in your hand. Ooh-wee. Talk about probable cause. That's probable cause to put you down like a dog. You hear me? What? Oh, I feel threatened. You out of here. We gonna catch you in the afterlife. Boy, she's tripping. But we seen something very interesting. And the interesting part was, initially, before all that, the knife thing happened and everything, did y'all peep the lingo that was going on in the car between the two officers? How they get them with that, I smell marijuana, yada, yada. Oh, go up there, ask her, whatever, the insurance. Oh, man, what insurance did you have again? Oh, what's that odor, ma'am? Like, that'd be their favorite shit. That odor of marijuana shit, that's the number one. You know what I'm saying? That's the number one thing they gonna say to search your vehicle, man. God damn. But anyway, let's see how this ends up turning out.
Ah, damn it, I gotta reach in there for this. Turn my head to cough and spit, and all of a sudden I see my recruit running up. I'm like, uh-oh.
Yeah.
Did he react?
Yeah.
Fast enough? Good.
Yeah, he was on it before I
Awesome.
got up here.
Awesome.
Recruits be on point, man. They more gun-ho than anything. They excited to get the job. They ready to put something down.
I hate to see it. A little bit of weed. She doesn't smoke though. That's cool.
Boy, I'm glad I'm not a smoker, boy. That gets so many people jammed up with the driving and all that. Look, my boy excited. He said, "Oh, little bit of weed." Look, he hype.
You can't go through my purse.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
Where did you
have a
get?
search
Where did you
warrant?
get your law
Do
degree,
you have
ma'am?
a search warrant?
I have probable cause.
You don't. My
Where-
car
where-
smells that way because my son smokes in it.
When
He drives my
when did you
car.
go to the law enforcement academy
And
last?
he has his thing. He has his card.
Okay.
So what are you doing? That's none of your business what you're looking through.
That's fine.
Okay. What are you doing through my backpack?
Same thing as doing your purse. Searching it, you have probable
Yeah, you
cause.
don't have permission to search.
I
You
have
said my
probable
car.
cause.
So you have probable cause to read through my stuff?
Yep.
No. Waiting my shit.
Back her. Back her up over there.
Charlie 21,
No.
1013.
You're
Right here.
Listen. You're not going to stand behind me.
Temple.
Yeah, let's go. We're gonna walk back this way.
If you resist them, I
Okay,
will
then
pepper
I'll
spray
stand
you.
over here. Would you stop?
Stop for a
No,
second. You're gonna-
I want to see. No.
Hi.
I
You
have
get
the
pepper
right.
spray.
Go ahead.
get pepper
You take it. Look, you're going to put something in my
Put her in the
car.
back. Put her-
and then
put her
you're
up
going to
here.
say I had something. You guys are dirty cops. You're going to put some shit in my car and say I had it. Don't touch me.
Open up a
Don't fucking touch me.
4 November.
You guys are going to put something in my car and say I had something.
No. So you're going to
Quit touching me.
It's open.
2030 over
There you go. Have a seat in the car.
Okay, you guys are gonna no.
Have a seat in the car.
I have rights.
Sit in the car. Sit in the car. I'm going to tell you
I
one
have
more time how to
rights.
spray you.
Okay, you guys are putting stuff in my car, and you're gonna say that I have it. Give me my fucking
Have a seat in the car. Go.
motherfuckers. I have.
Stay here with her.
Who runs out of a car with a knife?
Her?
Like, dude.
Charlie 22. Charlie 22.
All right, so we're discussing it. We don't think the intent was there that she was going to do anything to you. She was just like, oh, she's just a very disgruntled person. So what we're going to do is resisting without. Because you told her, hey, drop that. She didn't. You went to go, you threw it, took it out of her hand, threw it, go to cuff her. She was fighting us. Okay?
Temple.
Oh, yeah.
We didn't break the other one yet, man.
No, that's
Transfer
what happened. She's got purple ear.
more purple here. There you have it.
Listen, good job, man.
The woman was charged with resisting an officer without violence and possession of marijuana. She pled no contest, had adjudication withheld, and was ordered to pay fines and court costs with no jail or probation. Share your thoughts below and don't forget.
That was definitely a good job by that recruit, man. Definitely a good job by the recruit. I can understand her frustration when she said, no, you're going to plant stuff in my car, whatever. And I think, and I agree that, you know, civilians should be able to watch, you know, the search. And a lot of times they do let them watch the search, but it's within reason though. You're not going to dictate where you stand and stand right behind me and all of that. No, you're going to stand right over here off to the side, whatever the case may be. Because I remember I got pulled over before and the cop said I was speeding. I don't think I was speeding, but whatever. And then when he comes up, he goes, what's that green leafy substance in the bag? And I'm like, first of all, I don't even smoke. And I don't even have people in my car that smoke and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? That's not my thing. So I don't really hang with people that's like, you know what I'm saying? That's not really my thing. So, and then earlier that day, I had a whatchamacallit, a detail done. You feel me? Like, so I knew for a fact my car was squeaky clean. I was just leaving the barbershop. I think it was like a Friday or a Saturday or something. Had a detail earlier that day, whatever. So my car is spotless. No trash, no nothing in there. And so they flipped my car, whatever. You know, I watched and everything, boom. And then at the end, they're like, okay, you're good to go. And I'm like, wait, hold on. What happened to the green leafy substance you said you seen in the back? You know what I'm saying? So they pull a little funny stuff, whatever. But this lady, she ain't wrapped too tight. And it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just whatever. But that rookie, he did he responded quickly. Like, he on point. He gonna be a decent officer. So I give these officers, I give them 4 out of 5. I think they did pretty good. Especially with that knife situation, able to disarm her quick and everything like that. So let me know how well you think the officers did in the comment section below, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam, 2K shit that get a nigga lean.